Hi, good morning everyone. This is Mark again from Ignition Automotive PH, and we're back again from another project. This is a brand new Toyota Vios 2024. As you can see po, here in this part, may tama po sa front bumper. May tama rin siya sa front fender. Nagkaroon na rin po ng problema sa pagbubukas ng pinto. Actually, itong pinto na to hindi na ito mabuksan kasi naipit na ng fender yung front door. Yung front door niya, may mga tama rin dito sa part na to. And dito sa rear door, meron din siyang tama dito sa part na to. Sumama pa dito sa may wheel arch. Kung mapapansin nyo on this part, natuklap na yung pinaka base coat niya. Lumabas na yung metal part. So yung project natin is until here sa rear quarter panel. Ito hindi na natin isasama to kasi sariwa naman yung rear bumper niya. Sa door handle niya, may napansin din akong gas-gas. So, i-repaint din natin to. Yan, based sa customer natin, itong kotse daw na to is nakapark. And all of a sudden, nabangga daw siya ng truck. And na-hit and run na siya, unfortunately. Ang nakapagsabi na lang nung incident is yung mga bystanders dun sa tapat nung pinangyarihan. Nakakapanghinayang yung sasakyan kasi 69 kilometers pa lang ang tinatakbo nito pero nagkaganito na siya. Pero thank goodness naman nakilala tayo ni Sir Nico and magagawa natin siya. Ang pangako ko sa kanya is 2 to 3 days tapos na ito. Alright, so for those clients na merong ganitong same scenario or same situation, just message us in our Facebook page. It's Ignition Automotive PH, or you can call our contact number 0998-971-5160. Post din natin yung phone number at the bottom of this video. Yan, for those clients na gusto mag-walk-in, we are located at 937 Luis Street, Barangay San Miguel, Pasig City. You can also use Waze or Google Maps. Just key in Ignition Automotive PH. Yeah, we also have options to transact via credit card. We have a promo called Paint Now, Pay Later. Alright, and that's it for today's video. And check out the progress na lang po dun sa aming Facebook page. Magpo-post po yung ating admin ng mga pictures regarding the repair and repaint for this Toyota Vios 2024. Alright, again, so thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like and subscribe to our Facebook page, Ignition Automotive PH. Thank you, and God bless.
Minsan lang to kaya ating isagad. Baso lagyan mo ng ice, ice. Namumula na ang ice, ice. Yung bag merong lamang cash, cash, cash. Sakit na sa mata nung flash, flash, flash. Yeah, mahaba pang gabi, maaga pa sulit.